Alright boy, we heading out to the first car meet. I'm not taking my car. I'm going with my boys X3 M40i. Yes, they want to see me.
Oh, see you more negative?
Yeah.
Yeah, I need that camera one.
We got the camera, yeah. The camera is way harder to hold up. What? This looks like I can't take the car up. Yeah. They actually got some crazy cars. I'm not that good with these old Beamers, but I mess with them though. They crazy. Oh, no, you watch the video? Yeah, I appreciate it, bro. There was this crazy G82 right here. Bro, I'm still so mad I couldn't bring my car. Hella carbon. Nah, this thing is crazy, bro. This thing fully loaded, like, y'all know I always talk about F82s, but this G82 is crazy. This is probably the nicest one. It's full of carbon buckets. That shit crazy. Nah, this is the nicest car I've seen out here so far. Yeah, boy. Oh yeah, that's my boy with his F82. He probably won't even recognize me. We just met once. Y'all saw the last video. Hey, what's up,
going, man? I saw you over there.
Nice to see you, man. I saw the car and I'm like, is this your car over here? As soon as I saw the blue lights, I'm like, yeah, that's you for sure. I saw this M5. Bro, this shit crazy.
You still don't know you love it, bro?
This M5 real nice.
The M5?
Yeah, M5 F90. I've been thinking about a carbon hood, and I think these are definitely selling me to get one. Cause I got a dent in my hood, bro. As soon as I bought my hood, before I even put it on, that thing fell over. I got a crazy dent in it. Y'all probably don't see the camera that much. It's not that bad, but ever since that, I'm like, I don't think I'm gonna paint match it. This M4 is also really nice. If it was lowered, it'd be crazy. That's the other M4 with the carbon hood I'm talking about. Yeah, the carbon hood hits in the sun, bro. That thing is just like glowing. I think I might have to get one. Only thing, the ones I'm seeing, it's an Alibaba, bro. Alibaba is a method. The one I'm seeing, it's not carbon on both sides. So I don't know if these are carbon on both sides or just one side, but I think it would still look the same. I think I'll definitely get it though. But yeah, I'm gonna go take some pictures of these cars real quick before my camera died. Yeah, I'm gonna see if anything else happens. Pick up the camera back for y'all.
A few moments later.
Hey y'all boys, this is another CS over here, like the blue one. I was talking to the guy with the blue CS though. Let me just flip the camera up. Craziest thing, he's Jamaican too, so we've just been chatting. And I actually never been in an M car. I sat in one in my last video, as you guys saw. But I never actually gotten a riding one or nothing like that. He just told me, bro, he's like, your license is good? I'm like, yeah. He like, I'm gonna make you drive one today. Brother, if I drive that, it's not this one, it's the blue one over there. But bro, no way, I'm actually gonna get to drive that. I'm gonna go over there right now. He said he's just chilling. I should pull up whenever. I'm like, bro, I'm ready right now. I'm trying to go right now. You know what he told me? He said, bro, stack your money. That's what I've been doing recently. This is it right here though. Damn, but yeah, this is it. This my boy right here. Yo.
This is ridiculous. What do you do for work?
Yo, he dead gonna let me drive it, brother. Yo.
What do you do?
Bro, I'm almost shy to go sit in the seat. He got these buckets in. He said he took out the CS buckets and put these in it.
Stage school.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hey, bro, it is dead ass happening for real. I went to grab my wallet. I'm getting my license. We going for a ride in this thing, bro. I'm gonna see if he's down to record for me so y'all can see it, but let's see, G. It's cool if I record it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Thank you, man. God, I gotta scoot in this bucket.
Yeah.
I'll just
show you the trick. You put your left hand there, and then you just kind of.
I can go like that.
Yeah, man.
Oh, god damn.
Yo, the regular seats were already so
Man.
hard to get in. Now this is
Bro, this is my first time crawling in buckets. I'm not used to this.
These are easier to get in than the regulars.
Actually,
Yeah.
Oh, it's start button.
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah. Just.
Sheesh. Does it rub?
Yeah, people that say jive on your Fiesta.
A guard?
4 kilograms. Your lightest seats in the world.
Man, it's one little worse shot. It's hard to record while driving, but no, this thing is crazy. Like the seats, everything, it just hugs you like a race car. Bro, I'm still stunned of words. It feels fat on the road.
So it's gonna be a little stiffer than your whip, so
Yeah.
you can tell.
Bro, God. Big respect to the boss. I remember drive the, the M4, bro. CS to do. I forgot the CS part. It's crazy, bro. Crazy bucket seats and everything. This is the M4 behind me, the CS. I just drove, and the last clip y'all saw, I was like, if anything exciting happens, I'll pick up the camera and record. Some more cars came, but nothing crazy happened. I just came back over here because everyone was talking to the guy with the CS. So I was like, you know, I was just taking some shots, do my little thing. Lena G20 pulled up too. But yeah, the camera is pretty much dead, but y'all remember me just saying nothing much is going on, so I'll pick the camera up if something does. Bruh, a few moments after that, I'm driving a CSG, like, nah, that fucking thing is crazy. I'm closer to these M's than I ever been. In my last video y'all saw, I was in my boys. I just showed y'all that over there too, the F82, the blue one. And today we drove this CS G82, bro. Yes, sir.
That's your shit,
bro.
man. That's your tough.
Oh yeah, we're respect, bro. Yeah, nah, I didn't, bro. I need an alignment. Nah,
Bro, I watched your video. You don't even know that.
You know, this and the F82s.
F82s are hard. The
Tough.
M4?
There was one over there. Yeah. Yeah, I know I didn't get much recording in the car because he was cool with recording, but I was like, you know, let me just put the camera down. Out of respect, I wasn't trying to like be doing nothing too extra. Plus, I didn't want to hold the camera as well, like one hand on the camera, one hand driving a CS, you know what I mean? But bro, nah, that thing crazy. Big old cam vet. Yeah, that carbon hood calling my name, boys. So there's another F82. It has marine as well though, but it looks crazy also. Bro, I'm getting tempted in every direction with these cars. Oh damn, nah, this M4 looks good. I love the no trunk lip look. Yeah, I'm getting tempted in all directions. Look at this fat tire C7. You know this shit don't play, bro. But me and my boy talking. I'm taking some advice from him because he definitely got good advice to give. And my boy say, hey, stack that money, invest your money wisely, bro. And he ain't wrong, so, you know, you just gotta make the right moves. At the end of the day, I can't complain for what I have currently. I just gotta be grateful, keep putting in that work. Just do what you gotta do, bro. Damn, look at that thing. And big old M5 too. Thank y'all boys for watching, G. I need to lock in.